do you feel like sometimes, my guess is that if you're dropping 30K on a mold, that creates a nice defensible moat, right? That buys you a little bit of time before your competitors catch up.
Yeah, it does. I mean, the benefit of that can be defensibility, but at the end of the day, it also comes down to the trust of the factory, because what's going to stop that factory from using your mold for other users or for other buyers? And so you have to make sure in your contract or your agreement with that factory that you own that mold. And so that's one of the kind of missteps that we see some companies taking, where they purchase the mold, the factory owns the mold. Well, you just put down $30,000 for a mold that you don't own. You can produce as many products through the mold as you want, but so can anyone else now. So make sure in your contracts you have with these factories or POs that you're specific and say, I own this mold. And there's even some companies that go out, buy molds overseas, ship them back to a facility here in America or wherever they're based, and then produce products locally through that mold.